back to Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Tuesday, October 15th, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Welcome back, Pythons.
Lucas, guess what? It's already halfway through the spooky season. That means Halloween's coming up.
What are you going to be for Halloween, Pythons? Now here are your daily announcements.
We love you, Miss Mesa.
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 We love you, Miss Mesa. We love you, Miss Mesa.
That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow morning. News and updates. Have a great day. Go Pirates!